Your battery is dead and you're stuck in the middle of nowhere. You don't need the tow truck or jumper cables, just this tiny device. Today, I'm going to show you how to use the GS300 LIFMOCER car jumper to bring your car back to life in a matter of seconds. This is HashRDD, and you're watching the Daily Driving Channel.
HashRDD, king of the clutch, no slack. 6-speed sliding, got the gear game packed. VTEC boys, yeah, we screaming down the lanes. Catch the red line fever, tearing past the chains. Drift shift wizzo, spinning on the globe.
Going straight to the heart of the matter, I will show you right now how to jumpstart a car using this brand new compact and powerful jump starter. It's called the LIFMOCER GS300. Some of us might be thinking, but I'm not that mechanically inclined, and I don't know anything about cars. Well, I'm telling you right now, there's no technical knowledge needed. If you can charge a phone, then you can jumpstart the car. So, to start, make sure the area you're working on is safe. As much as possible, avoid working on the side of a busy road or highway. Or make sure it's not raining or snowing heavily outside where you are working. Let's open the hood and locate the car battery, specifically the battery terminals. Here we have the red or the positive terminal, the black or the negative terminal. Let's go ahead and connect our jumper cable to the GS300. And you will see a blue light flashing, which means it's on standby mode. And it doesn't really matter if the device is turned on or not, it will still work because it's a direct connection. Connect the black alligator clamp of the jumper cable to the black or negative terminal of the car battery. And then the red alligator clamp to the red or positive terminal of the battery. A green solid light and a clicking sound from the device means it's ready for jumping. And within 30 seconds after that, start your car. Once your car was successfully started, disconnect the jumper device from the car battery. If starting the car was unsuccessful, check your battery if it has more than 30% of its charge left. If not, fully charge it. But if your battery is sufficiently charged and failed to start your vehicle, you can try the force start mode of the device. Later on in this video, I will show you how to use the force start mode. Again, refer accordingly to your user's manual for any troubleshooting tips and instructions. They come in very handy. And that concludes how to jumpstart your car with a dead or weak battery using the LIFMOCER GS300 Jump Starter. If you are curious and planning to acquire this portable jump starter for your vehicles or all of your vehicles, listen up and continue watching to see what's its features and capabilities. Right off the bat, we can expect to do an unboxing of this product, discover its specs, features, who is it for, and my own recommendations. So without further ado, let's do an unboxing. We have the box that was sent to us free by this company. Despite that, I will absolutely do my best to do an impartial review and do my personal take on this jumper. Opening the box, we have a neat, sturdy storage case. Inside it, we have the jump starter cable with 2 strong alligator clamps. There's also a USB-A to Type-C cable for charging. Also, we have the user's manual printed in English and in other major languages. And lastly, we have the device itself. It's called the GS300 model. Right out of the box, we can see it is compact and solid in my hand. Here we have the display screen where you can see how much battery life and power it has, and among other things. Beside it, we have the on button. Of course, let's turn it on. And the button below it is the flashlight button. Let's turn it on by pressing it and hold. You can see 3 different modes of lights. And on the left side of the device, we can see 2 USB-A ports for charging our devices like laptops, your phones. And then the third one is the USB Type-C port to charge this device. And then the last port is for the jumper cable itself. Let's go over some features of this device. So the battery capacity is about 59.2 watt hours. Lifespan about 1000 cycle times. Battery voltage 12 volts. It can jumpstart gas engines up to 10 liters and diesel engines up to 8 liters. And it can deliver a peak current of about 3000 amps. We can use this device on working temps less than as low as -4 degrees Fahrenheit and up to as high as 140 degrees Fahrenheit. The warranty period is 12 months from the date of purchase, and the warranty might be voided if the product has been damaged by accident, mishandling, or failure to follow provided instructions. Maintenance, we can charge it once every 3 to 6 months if we're not using it. Talking about features, the LIFMOCER GS300 blends power, safety, and versatility into a compact, easy-to-use device. It offers professional-level jumpstart capability, robust safety features, and additional utility as a power bank and emergency light source, making it one of the most well-rounded jump starters available today. Lastly, the most important feature of this device is what we call the force start mode. If your vehicle battery is dead or its battery voltage is under 2 volts, you need to use the force start mode. I'll show you later on in this video how to use this mode of charging. We can do this by connecting all the jumper cables accordingly. But before we start the vehicle, let's make sure to press and hold the red button on the jumper cable for 3 seconds. So once we see a green light on the jumper cable, now we can start the vehicle. Finally, who is this device for? Of course, it's for the drivers, first-time users, and for emergency purposes. If you own a car, this is the one tool you need in your trunk. It's small, powerful, and could save you hours if you're stuck in a parking lot or somewhere else. If you like this video, hit that like button, subscribe for more DIY car content, and let me know your worst battery fail story in the comments. Thanks for watching.